optical activity in halogen derivatives. First of all, some basic terms in optical activity of halogen derivatives. The first is ordinary light. Ordinary light. The light which consists of different wavelengths vibrating in all possible planes perpendicular to the direction of propagation, such light called as ordinary light. Then the monochromatic light. Monochromatic light means the light which consists of single wavelength vibrating in all possible planes perpendicular to the direction of propagation called as monochromatic light. Then the plane polarized light. Plane polarized light. Plane polarized light means when a beam of monochromatic light which is vibrating in all possible planes passed through Nichols prism. This is Nichols prism. Then the emerging light vibrates only in a single plane perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Such a light called as plane polarized light. Then the optical activity. Optical activity means the property of compound to rotate the plane of plane polarized light towards right, means in clockwise direction, or towards left, means in anti-clockwise direction. Such a property of compound called as optical activity. Then the optically active compounds. Optically active compound means the compounds which rotates the plane of plane polarized light either towards right, means in clockwise direction, or towards left, means in anti-clockwise direction. Such compounds are called as optically active compounds. There are two types of optically active compounds, that is the dextrorotatory compounds and the levorotatory compounds. Dextrorotatory compound means the compounds which rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards right, means in clockwise direction, called as dextrorotatory compound. These compounds are represented as D compounds, or these are again represented as plus. Then the second is Leo. Levorotatory compound means the compounds which rotates the plane of plane polarized light towards left, means in anti-clockwise direction. Such compounds are called as levorotatory. These are represented as L form, or again these are represented by minus form. Then the racemic mixture. Racemic mixture means the equimolar mixture of dextro and leo form, that is 50% dextro form, 50% leo form, which is optically inactive due to external compensation, called as racemic mixture. Then the important term which is involved in the optical activity of halogen derivative is the asymmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric carbon atom. The carbon atom which is directly attached to 4 different atoms or group of atoms, such carbon atom called as asymmetric carbon atom. For example, lactic acid. In lactic acid there is one asymmetric carbon atom which is directly attached to 4 different atoms or groups as hydrogen, carboxylic group, hydroxyl group and methyl group, which is represented by the star mark on it. Lactic acid contains one asymmetric carbon atom. Now total number of isomers possible for the compound calculated by using the formula I is equal to 2 power n. Here I means isomer and n means the number of asymmetric carbon atom. Therefore, the isomers possible for lactic acid is equal to 2 power 1 because lactic acid contains only one asymmetric carbon atom, that is 2. These 2 isomers are possible for the lactic acid, and these 2 isomers are the one is dextrorotatory and another is leo-rotatory. Then the important term is enantiomers, or these are also called as enantiomorphs. The optical isomers which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, such optical isomers are called as enantiomers. Reciproc picture, it is denoted by DL or plus minus form. आजचा आपला जो टॉपिक होता ऑप्टिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी इन हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, यामध्ये ह्या ज्या इम्पॉर्टंट टर्म्स आहेत ह्या टर्म्स त्याच्यावर 3 मार्कांसाठी एक प्रश्न विचारला जातो. ह्या टर्म्स इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. उद्याला आपण ऑप्टिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ लॅक्टिक ऍसिड आणि ऑप्टिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ 2-chlorobutyl असे 2 एक्झाम्पल घेणार. त्याच्यामध्ये 3-3 मार्काचे 2 प्रश्न विचारले जाऊ शकतात. डिस्कस द ऑप्टिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ लॅक्टिक ऍसिड आणि डिस्कस द ऑप्टिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ 2-chlorobutyl.